Hello, please, I just want to ask this humble question, very humble. No problem at all, just a simple and humble question. Is Nigeria practicing democracy? Really? Is what Nigeria practicing is it called democracy? It's a humble question because I don't know. I have to start like this. If Nigeria is practicing democracy, Nnamdi Kanu is in detention for going to 4 years. Is that democracy? Sim Fubara of River State was just removed by mere speech. A governor who was democratically elected by the people, just mere speech, he was removed. Is that democracy? Under normal circumstances, the National Assembly and the House of Reps and the executive themselves, which is the presidency, should sit down and dialogue what has been going on in River State. For me, what has been going on in River State, there is no problem. It's just a power tussle. Someone who just wants to show that he did a lot and he should be compensated. I'm talking about Wike. Wike delivered River State to Mr. Tinubu. And the only way he will be paid back, he wants to be paid back, is by doing his bidding. And his bidding is to rubbish the people of River State, the Jos, the Queres, the Ogonis, all of them. That is the only way he could pay him back. Do you get it? This is exactly what you are going to expect in 2027. If you are not listening clearly, if you are not listening, listen very carefully. This is exactly what you should expect in 2027. All the former head of state, they are keeping quiet. They don't want to lose their own salary, their pension, because when they speak, probably he may stop their money. Last time Babangida launched a book, all of them were there, and they didn't deem it fit to discuss the problem of the nation. And some people, some gullibles, will come out and say one Nigeria. Is it one Nigeria? Is it democracy? Is that how you're going to achieve one Nigeria? I still ask this humble question. In the other side of the Ijo boys, Asare Dokubo, sometimes it's good for something to happen so that you learn from there. If you don't want to learn, you will learn the hard way. Do you get the point? I'm happy in that side of Asare Dokubo, what has happened now, and it has affected him and his boys. You went to Abuja with all manner of weapons. You campaigned for this man. You even said that you will buy for him. If anybody stands your way, like P2P, if he stands your way, you buy for him. Tomorrow, Nnamdi Kanu is going to court. Is he going to get justice? Is it democracy? I'm still asking this question. So what has happened to the rivers? I'm not happy, but in the side of Asare Dokubo and his boys, I'm happy because it is good. If Nigeria has not happened to you, you will not understand the way I am talking and the rest of us. The way we talk, maybe we are talking too much, we are making noise, we are not making sense. Do you get the point? Because Nigeria has not happened to you. When Nigeria happens to you, you will be crying like a newborn goat. Do you get the point? So this brings me to this saying. It's a proverb in my place. They said, what an old man sitting down sees, a child will climb the Iroko tree without seeing it. This is exactly what is happening to Asare Dokubo Group and his boys. I'm very happy in that side, so that next time, you people should learn very, very well. Don't learn in a hard way. This is a hard way. Do you get what I'm saying? So this is exactly what has... When Buhari was ruling, Buhari was doing whatever he wants, and they call it democracy. Do you understand? The other side is being looked after, the other one is being punished, the other one is being pied, and things we are just moving. And nobody speaks. Babangida just came up with one little useless confession he said he was doing without trying to... He should have opened up completely. There are a lot of secrets Gowon is there sitting down, is not seeing what is happening. They don't look in future to see what is happening. And when people talk, you go and pick them up. And people still call it democracy. Where is the likes of Soyinka? Is it democracy? Is this one called democracy? The elites from Yoruba land. You know, when Buhari was ruling, he was taking care of his people, doing what he wants. Now Tinubu is ruling. All of them are keeping quiet. Now the North is crying. Maybe when another tribe will start to rule now, Yoruba will start to cry. Do you get what is happening in Nigeria? So politics in Nigeria is very tribalistic. They are not honest. It is not democracy. It is just military rule. That is what we are in. So for those of you who still keep dreaming of fixing Nigeria or having peace in Nigeria or having new Nigeria, I think you guys have lost your track. Sincerely speaking, this is not democracy. This is what should I call it? It's military regime in the making. Have a good day. Meet me in comment section, people. Goodbye.